everyone, I hope this video finds you and your family in great health. I am Sushma and I am an intern with Pinky Minds. Today I am talking to you guys about something that I wished I had known earlier, and that is nothing but the concept of mindful eating. And I will also be talking about that one specific food that helps you to maintain a healthier lifestyle and most importantly a healthier mind. Today, talking about what mindful eating is. As students, we are all prone to stress eating, right? Whenever we are happy, whenever we're excited, when we're frustrated, or anything of those sorts, when it is extremes emotion, we tend to eat. Some of us, majority of us, tend to eat, and this is seen mostly common in students like us because of the excessive pressure from college, and then there is assignments, there's exams. As usual, in a ideal world itself, it is quite hard to cope up with. But then, with everything that is happening now, it becomes even more difficult. And because of this, I have seen, and myself, I am prone to stress eating a lot. Because of this, we tend to gain a lot of weight, and because of this, we start to feel a lot of guilt because we've eaten something that maybe we weren't supposed to or wasn't healthy or right for us. And there are multiple other small factors which all combine together to lead to a lot of stress and anxiety in our minds. And this leads to a very unhealthy mindset. And you can see how something that you eat gets you so tangled up in your mind, right? I mean, the proverb, as it says, "You are what you eat," is nothing but this. This is what it means. I mean, I think you guys have all seen how your mood sways when you eat something spicy and when you eat something mild and tastier. You can differentiate it amongst yourself how happy you feel when you eat something mild and less spicy, and when you eat something spicy, your mood is completely the opposite, and you're prone to get angry or really fast. You're more frustrated by things around you. And this is what leads me to the idea of mindful eating. So mindful eating is the idea where you try to reduce on what you're eating, or at least keep a watch on what you are eating and what your body is taking in, and how that will affect your health, that is physically, and your mental health. What small trick I usually perform is, because I am very prone to stress eating, and to avoid that as much as possible, whenever I tend to do a very commonly easily available task when I am stressed or anxious, I keep a small pebble or a rock that I can act like a wire that connects me back to myself. So it acts like an alarm which reminds you to come back to yourself. So once you're back to yourself, then you know what you are doing, what your surroundings are like. Because when you're engulfed in the stress and the anxiety, there's not a lot of things that cross your mind, and then you tend to eat excessively. And this small rock or pebble, or it can be anything of your choice, will rope you back to where you're supposed to be and make you aware of your surroundings. So for everyone who has this problem of stress eating, can try this small trick, and it is very effective, and I hope this finds you in a better place. And I just wanted to give out a loud shout out to one of the specific foods that act like one of the very important ingredient for a healthy mind, that is walnuts. I mean, they look like a brain for a reason, right? And they are actually considered to be highly rich in antioxidants. So these help in keeping a very healthy body as well as your mind. It gives you the willpower, the energy, and it strengthens your mind to take up any sort of tasks and challenges without being much let down or worried. So every morning, just have the habit of eating a few walnuts. And I know that it might seem like a Trojan horse, where you don't know that the effects are not very visible and you can't see anything changing, but in the end it will all sum up to a greater quantity, and it will pay off very well. Until then, I hope you guys all stay safe and stay strong. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.